In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Pigstep in Soundtrap. We'll build this track from the ground up so you can capture that edgy, rhythmic vibe inside your browser. Let's start by opening Soundtrap and creating a new music project. Set your tempo in the mid to high groove range. Something around the high 140s feels authentic and energetic. Choose a minor key you like since Pigstep leans dark and moody. Create a new software instrument track so we can sketch the harmony. Begin by laying down the main vibe with a simple minor chord progression. Aim for a progression that moves with tension and release. Think a repeating pattern with small twists each loop. In the piano roll, draw sustained chords for the foundation, then try breaking them into shorter, syncopated notes to add motion. If your voicings feel crowded, spread them across octaves for clarity. Quantize lightly with a touch of swing, and consider a warm keyboard or Rhodes-style patch for a gritty, expressive texture. Now craft the iconic bass line. Choose a punchy, plucked bass with a fast attack. Something that cuts through without being boomy. The bass should feel syncopated and a little mischievous, often emphasizing offbeats. Short notes, rests, and occasional octave jumps create that signature bounce. Start with a two-bar motif and repeat it with small variations so it stays catchy while evolving. Use velocity to accent certain notes, and nudge a few hits slightly ahead or behind the grid for a human feel. Let's add the drum groove. Load a tight, modern kit with a crisp kick and snappy snare. Keep the snare on beats 2 and 4, then build interest with syncopated kicks that lock to the bass line. Layer hi-hats with a mix of straight and offbeat hits, and sprinkle in ghost notes or extra percussion for movement. Dial in a bit of swing so the drums and bass breathe together, and lightly compress the drum bus for cohesiveness. With the groove in place, write the lead melody. Pick a plucky synth lead or slightly detuned analog-style tone. Keep phrases short and rhythmic, letting the melody weave around the bass rather than fighting it. Stay close to your minor scale, add tasteful bends or grace notes, and use subtle delay and reverb to give it space without washing it out. Finally, arrange the track. Build an intro with filtered chords, introduce the bass, then bring in the full drums for the first drop. Follow with a breakdown to reset energy and return with a variation that adds new fills or a counter melody. Use automation for filter sweeps, volume rides, and transitions. By the end, you'll have a tight Pigstep-inspired beat arranged and ready to share.